Corruption is one of the main problems stunting South Africa's growth. The driving forces of corruption are both dishonesty and greed, both human characteristics. This prompts the question, can technology be less susceptible to corruption, attributing this to its inhuman characteristics? Well, the closest and most suitable technology currently available for this problem could actually be blockchain technology. I'll demonstrate this by explaining a simple transaction. When user A pays user B using blockchain technology, the true details of the payment are confined to user A and user B. This maintains the confidentiality element in the transaction. All users of blockchain record this transaction but by encrypting it first using a hash algorithm. This is done to prevent later alteration of the data of transactions. The very fact that there are multiple records of the same transactions makes it easily verifiable. Both these facts actually help secure the data integrity of this transaction. The very nature of blockchain technology is that it's decentralized and public. This means that all transactions are actually freely available. So this means that blockchain technology encompasses the three elements to secure data: confidentiality, data integrity, and availability. Why is this important? If government is to implement blockchain technology in terms of government spending, auditors will be able to place 100% reliance and certainty on these transaction records. This will go a long way into detecting fraud more easily and discourage corruption as a whole. Another application of blockchain technology has been seen by a company called Slockit, in which they combined Internet of Things capabilities with blockchain technology in the form of a fully automated bike rental system. When a user paid for a bike rental, the Internet of Things component of the system unlocked the railing of the bike. This facilitated a totally independent automated service. This can easily be applied in the government sector in terms of public transport, paying utilities, and even in licensing. But the most promising application of blockchain technology and cryptocurrency systems is actually smart contracts. Smart contracts is a protocol associated with the cryptocurrency of Ethereum. Basically, smart contracts facilitate the process of carrying out a contract without any intermediaries and maintaining full transparency. This can be easily applied to the government tender bidding system, in which a party could be awarded tenders based on certain criteria, which would be fully automated and maintain all transparencies. Although crypto systems and blockchain technology have a lot of promise to the South African government, no other country has adopted the cryptocurrencies on such a large scale. The fact that government important sensitive data will actually be freely available, even though they might be encrypted, is still a national concern. And a migration of this sort, especially when no methodologies have been developed for this kind of migration, might be a growing concern. Further research will have to be investigated to see if the feasibility of implementing cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology in government will actually benefit South Africa. In Qatar.